A black lab on a hot day and the beach is too far away. What's a dog to do? Go for a swim at the launch ramp. A quick walk up the dock and dog anticipation of cooling off. And the mid-swim head shake to clear those ears. Because really, no more water is going to get in there, right? Her view and my view. She's actually pretty funny to watch because she goes in counterclockwise circles over and over and over.
I would like to explore, I would like to explore with you.
A little more head shaking, but wait, I'm not done yet. I need to swim around circles some more.
To the cave of your mind behind those colorblind eyes.
And then a tired old dog walks up the ramp. A quick roll in the grass, but wait, what's this smell? A dripping walk back, a shower on the transom, and then her second favorite part, a long, long rub down. Her least favorite part, that stuff in the ears. A little more rubbing, and then sheer exhaustion. Lexie thanks you for watching, and she wants to remind you, don't forget to give her a thumbs up and subscribe for more Lexie videos.